everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Now I have some onion, have some garlic powder, well obviously real onion, and I had cut up a couple of steaks to put it in here. So I'm gonna cook this in this pan, obviously, but I'm thinking about adding this deluxe stir fry with broccoli, Italian green bean, carrots, baby corn, cobs. You know which ones I'm talking about, the ones you like it. Yeah. Water chestnut and red peppers. Now, I think that would be really good with this. So yeah. Now that that's in the pan, I'm going to add some water to this and some other seasoning. But one question is, should I add rice or should I add potato? I have plenty of potato I could put in this. I might actually go with that today. If you don't know, potatoes do actually have a lot of vitamin to it. And it's really good for you, especially potato skins. Oh my gosh, wash your potatoes and use the skins. You're wasting nutrients if you don't. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. Even though this is great value hash brown, this would be more, if you cook it the way I'm going to, this would be more like a potatoes au gratin. You know what I mean? Not potatoes au gratin, potatoes O'Brien. My hands are clean, by the way. I still have that scar, but whatever. I wash my hands multiple times during the day. So I'm gonna get this mixed around. Like, look. Tomorrow's Friday. Today is just put something together. That's funny, there's a carrot stuck on that end. That's funny. Anyway, so I think this will work out fine. It's a one pan meal. That steak will cook. So this meal should take no longer than maybe 40 minutes or 45 at the most. Now that that's sort of mixed in there, I did put it on the counter so that I can also wipe down the stove. I will show you that because, you know, I wipe everything down before and after. And even after I wash the dishes, I wipe down the kitchen. But, yeah, in the oven it goes. Okay, so I was just stirring it now, and it has to go back in the oven because obviously the meat is not quite done yet. So I thought about leaving the foil off. I'm not sure yet. I might. I did put some butter in there. That's what that is on this spoon. So I'm going to mix this a little more and put it back in the oven. Okay, I took it out and I tasted it, right? With all the seasoning I put in there, it's like the seasoning ain't there, so I'm going to put some other seasoning in it. All right, so I'm going to add these two guacamole dips and some cheese into it. After I take it out of the oven, when the cheese melts, I'll plate it up and meet you at the table. So I'm going to put a little bit of mustard in my bowl. Okay, I honestly don't care how I look right now. Pajama day again. So this is actually Rob's daughter got him some Hickory Farm. And the Belgian ale was in there. That's pretty good with it. Now, I might take this one and use it with some chicken or pork. Honey pineapple. That would be good. Anyway, so what you guys think?
Good. Yep.
Good. It's good. Approved by everyone. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one. It's nice recording a cooking video on my replacement phone. Bye.